The future of wearables, beyond fitness trackers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the future of technology and how it's reshaping our lives. Today, we're going beyond the basics of fitness trackers to uncover what lies ahead in the world of wearable technology. From smart clothing and medical patches to brain-computer interfaces and augmented reality glasses, so stay with us as we break down what's next. 1. The evolution of wearable technology. Wearable technology began as a simple idea: track health and improve lifestyle habits. They offered insights into sleep, calories, activity levels, and even ECG readings. But wearables today are growing more intelligent, more diverse, and more personalized. In 2025, they're becoming proactive healthcare tools, real-time communication devices, and even personal productivity boosters. Section 2. Medical wearables and health monitoring. One of the most promising areas of wearable technology is healthcare. Continuous health monitoring. Devices are now capable of continuously monitoring heart rhythm, blood oxygen, temperature, and even glucose levels. This allows early detection of serious conditions such as atrial fibrillation, sleep apnea, and dehydration. Wearable glucose monitors. Paired with mobile apps, they enable precise insulin management. Smart patches and biostickers. Skin patches embedded with microsensors can track hydration, pH levels, or lactic acid. Post-surgical and chronic care wearables. Hospitals are equipping patients with wearables to monitor recovery remotely, reducing readmission rates. Section 3. Mental health and cognitive enhancement wearables. Mental health is becoming a major focus in wearable development. Mood and stress. Tracker devices like Empatica and Fitbit monitor electrodermal activity to detect stress levels. Some can alert users when it's time to take a break or meditate. Brain-sensing headbands, neurotechnology wearables like Muse detect brain waves to guide meditation and boost focus. Sleep enhancement devices. Advanced sleep wearables monitor sleep cycles and can stimulate slow-wave sleep with gentle sounds or vibration. Section 4. Smart clothing and textiles. Wearables aren't limited to devices on your wrist or head. Smart fabrics and clothing are entering the mainstream. Sensor-embedded apparel, smart shirts and shorts equipped with motion sensors monitor posture, gait, and muscle activity. Military and tactical wearables. The military is experimenting with smart uniforms that monitor hydration, fatigue, and stress under combat conditions. Section 5. Augmented reality and smart glasses. Smart glasses are poised to become one of the most disruptive wearable platforms. Medical and surgical use. Doctors can use AR glasses during surgeries to view 3D models of organs or patient vitals without looking away. Consumer-level devices. Companies like Meta, Apple, and Google are investing in mainstream AR glasses. Section 6. Wearables for productivity and lifestyle. Beyond health, wearables are changing how we work and live. Personal assistant integration. You can manage your calendar, send messages, or check the news on the go. Workplace monitoring devices. Some companies are deploying wearables that track employee posture, fatigue, and ergonomics. Section 7. Sports, fitness, and beyond. Even in their original domain, fitness wearables are evolving. Advanced biometric data. Today's wearables go far beyond steps and calories. They now track VO2 max, heart rate variability, oxygen saturation, and more. Recovery and readiness scores. Devices now assess how well your body has recovered and whether it's ready for intense activity. Apps offer training advice based on real-time physical condition. Section 8. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, and neurotech. This is the cutting edge of wearable technology. BCIs and direct brain interaction. Companies like Neuralink and Kernel are developing non-invasive brain-computer interfaces. Therapeutic brain wearables. Headsets using TDCS or neurostimulation are being tested to treat depression, anxiety, and PTSD. They modulate brain activity to restore healthy function. Memory and learning enhancements. Future wearables could boost learning, improve memory retention, or aid in language acquisition by syncing with brain patterns. Section 9. Challenges and concerns. Despite the exciting potential, wearables also face several challenges. Privacy and data security. Health and location data are sensitive. Wearables must ensure encryption and compliance with data protection laws. Battery life. More advanced functions require more power. Designers must balance functionality with battery efficiency. And Section 10. What to expect by 2030. The next decade will see wearables become even more seamless and invisible. Implantable devices. We may begin to see subdermal chips that monitor vitals or deliver medications. AI-powered recommendations. With AI, wearables won't just collect data. They'll analyze it to offer actionable advice in real time. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.